going too fast.
Yeah, I think a little bit faster she can handle.
Yeah.
This is fun. This is actually my way. Yeah, I like this.
Kind of nice to just relax and go slow, isn't it, Bella?
I did that on my fast way.
Yeah, you can probably go a little bit faster, Leah.
Yeah, there you go. Wind it up.
Okay, want to get on, Max? There's room.
All right.
Well, I did one time to fit 2 little kids on one side.
He could sit next to Bella or Libby and they'd help hang on to him.
Hold on tight.
Oh, you okay?
I'm slowing it down a little.
She's blacking
The look
out.
on her face is like,